What if your debit card suddenly stops working in the middle of a jungle in Costa Rica? No warning, no cash, and your bank? Totally unreachable because it's a national holiday back in the US. You're not just stuck, you're stranded. That's the kind of nightmare that happens to unprepared digital nomads. And yet, almost nobody talks about it. But today, we're fixing that. Because in this video, you're going to learn how to bank smart, safe, and stress-free as a US nomad. Stick around. Because I'll show you the one banking setup that seasoned nomads use to get instant access to money in over 50 countries. And it doesn't even require opening a new bank account. Let's dive in. Number 1. Why traditional banks don't work. Abroad. Let's be real. Most banks in the US were designed for people who stay put. They want you to walk into a branch, shake someone's hand, and deposit a paper check. But what if you're working from a co-working space in Lisbon? Or sipping tea in Chiang Mai? Suddenly, you're getting flagged for suspicious activity just because you used your card in another country. It gets worse. Some banks will freeze your card without warning. Others will make you wait hours or even days to reach a real human to fix the issue. And you better hope your SIM card still works, or you won't even get the security code they texted you. A 2023 study by TransferWise showed that over 40% of U.S. travelers experienced a financial issue while abroad, from card blocks to ATM problems. That's not a fluke. It's a system problem. Traditional banks aren't built for borderless living, so you need a different kind of setup. Number 2. Choose a Nomad-approved bank. Think of this like choosing your travel partner. You want someone who won't bail when things get tough. So what makes a bank Nomad-approved? Here's the checklist. No foreign transaction fees. Reimburse all ATM fees globally. Full-featured mobile app. 24/7 customer service. International wire support. No need to walk into a branch. Ever one of the top picks. Charles Schwab High Yield Investor Checking. It's basically the holy grail for nomads. They refund all ATM fees, no matter where in the world you are. Withdraw cash in Peru, Japan, or Morocco, and get every penny of that ATM fee back. Another solid choice, Capital One 360. It has a strong mobile app and no monthly fees. Plus, they're used to customers who move around a lot. And for mobile-first nomads, look into Ally Bank. Their app is clean, simple, and actually works, even on shaky Wi-Fi in the Himalayas. Number 3. Always have a backup plan. This part is mission critical. You need at least 2 bank accounts and 2 separate cards, ideally from 2 different institutions. Here's why. Let's say your main card gets skimmed in a Turkish ATM. The bank freezes your account, and now your only card is toast. If you had a second card tucked away in your luggage, you'd be just fine. Pro tip: store your backup card away from your main wallet. Lock it in your suitcase, or put it in a secret pouch in your backpack. This one habit alone has saved countless nomads from sleeping in airports or begging hostile roommates for PayPal loans. Number 4. Mobile apps are your lifeline. In the nomad world, your phone is your bank. That means your banking app must be fast, easy to use, full of features, secure. You should be able to move money between accounts, freeze or unfreeze a card, and send transfers, all in a few taps. Also, always enable push notifications for every transaction. That way, you'll know immediately if something shady happens. But don't stop there. Add two-factor authentication, and no, not the kind that sends a code to your US phone number, because that number might not work abroad. Instead, use an app like Authy or Google Authenticator. It's safer, it works everywhere, and it protects you from the kind of scams that can drain your account while you sleep. Number 5. Go multi-currency or go home. Here's where things get spicy. Let's say you're in Portugal, and a client in Germany pays you in euros. Your US bank will accept it, sure, but then they'll convert it to dollars at a terrible rate, and you'll get slapped with hidden fees. This is where Wise comes in. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a game changer for nomads. It gives you local bank accounts in multiple currencies, like USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, and more. So when your European client pays you, it goes straight to your Euro wallet. No conversion, no fees, no drama. Then, when you're ready, you convert it to dollars using the real exchange rate, the same one you see on Google. You can also hold balances in multiple currencies and use their Wise debit card to spend like a local. One app, one card, dozens of currencies. This is how modern nomads win. Number 6. Credit cards are not evil. Yes, you heard that right. If used smartly, credit cards are your best friend abroad. They offer strong fraud protection, zero liability for unauthorized charges, better exchange rates, emergency cash options, bonus points, miles, and perks. If someone schemes your debit card, the money is gone. With a credit card, you just file a dispute. No stress. Look for cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Capital One Venture. Both offer no foreign transaction fees, travel insurance, lost baggage coverage, access to airport lounges with upgrades. But here's the golden rule. Only use credit cards for purchases you can afford to pay off in full every month. That way, you get the benefits without falling into debt. Number 7. Use a VPN or risk everything. If you've ever tried logging into your bank from a cafe in Vietnam, you know what happens. Unusual login attempt detected. Please verify your identity. Call us at our toll-free number. Except you can't, because your US SIM card doesn't work there. This is where VPNs come in. A VPN, or virtual private network, lets you appear as if you're still in the US. It encrypts your connection, it hides your location, and it keeps your banking activity private and secure. Use a trusted VPN like NordVPN or Surfshark. Set your location to your home state, like California or Texas, and log in without issues. It's a simple fix, and it could save you hours of frustration. Number 8. Taxes don't go away. Even when you do, here's a big mistake many nomads make. They think that if they leave the country, the IRS forgets about them. Wrong. If you're a US citizen, you still need to file a tax return, no matter where you live. Even if you earn money in Bali or Berlin, Uncle Sam still wants a piece. That said, you might qualify for the foreign earned income exclusion. It lets you exclude over $100,000 of foreign income from US taxes legally. But here's the catch. If you don't file it correctly, you could lose the exclusion, or worse, get fined. And if you hold more than $10,000 in foreign financial accounts, like Wise, Revolut, or a local European bank, you may need to file an FBAR. This is serious, so get a tax advisor who understands nomad and expat tax laws. It's worth every penny. Number 9. Create your nomad financial toolkit. Let's pull all of this together. Here's what a complete nomad banking toolkit might look like. Primary bank account, Charles Schwab, for ATM fee refunds. Backup bank account, Ally or Capital One 360 for emergencies. Multi-currency wallet, Wise for holding and converting currencies. Travel credit card, Chase Sapphire Preferred for protection and perks. VPN service, NordVPN for secure logins. Authenticator app, Authy for secure two-factor authentication. Cloud backup, Google Drive, store scans of passport, IDs, and bank contact info. Set all this up once, and you'll be ready to move through the world with financial peace of mind. Number 10. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Let's finish with some traps you don't want to fall into. Mistake 1. Carrying only one card. Don't. You will regret it. Mistake 2. Relying on a US phone number for 2FA. Use an authenticator app instead. Mistake 3. Forgetting to notify your bank before traveling. Some still flag international logins, even in 2025. Mistake 4. Ignoring exchange rates. A bad rate on a large transfer could cost you hundreds. Mistake 5. Using public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Hackers love tourist hotspots. Don't be their next victim. Mistake 6. Opening foreign bank accounts everywhere. This complicates your taxes and adds unnecessary paperwork. Avoid these, and you'll be miles ahead of most beginner nomads. So there you have it, the complete, no-fluff guide to banking smart as a US nomad. But I want to know, what's the biggest financial mistake you've made while living abroad? Let me know in the comments, because if it happened to you, it could happen to someone else too.